Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to transfer money into Sofi account. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it helps me out. So to get started with the guide on how to transfer money to Sofi account, so the first thing to do is to link an external bank account, which is an ACH transfer. So this is the most common and cost effective method. So to get started with the steps, you have to log to your Sofi account using the mobile app or the website. Then navigate to the banking tab and then tap transfer, then select transfer money. Then under from choose link new account, then follow the prompt to connect your external bank account. Then once link, initiate a transfer from your external bank to your Sofi account. Then after that, you have to wait for the processing time, which usually takes between 1 to 3 business days. And this transaction is actually free, but there's a transfer limit which is up to $100,000 per day with a ACH transfer, and that's just the limitation. And that's how you can simply transfer money to your Sofi account. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.